Are you feeling tired all the time? Getting random muscle twitches? Struggling to sleep? Then you might be low in magnesium. Welcome back to the Nutrition Behind Fatigue series. In today's video, we will talk about why magnesium is so important for your body, how deficiency can affect you, signs and symptoms, and of course the best magnesium-rich foods. Now, let's get started. Why magnesium is so important for your body. Magnesium is a major intracellular mineral involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions. It plays an essential role in energy production, muscle contraction and relaxation, nerve transmission, and glucose metabolism. It also helps maintain electrolyte balance, especially with calcium, potassium, and sodium, and supports both DNA and RNA synthesis. On top of that, it's involved in neurotransmitter regulation like serotonin and dopamine. How a deficiency can affect you. When your body doesn't get enough magnesium, ATP production drops because the mitochondria can generate energy efficiently, leading to cellular fatigue. Low magnesium levels can also affect muscle function, so you may experience muscle weakness, cramps, and spasms. And since magnesium helps regulate stress hormones and neurotransmitters, a deficiency can lead to neurological fatigue, mood changes, and poor stress tolerance. On top of that, magnesium deficiency often causes electrolyte imbalance, like hypokalemia and hypocalcemia, which only make muscle fatigue, cramps, and weakness even worse. How do you know if you're low in magnesium? When your body lacks magnesium, it shows in many ways. Physically, you might suffer from fatigue, muscle weakness or cramps, tremors, and even headaches. Neurologically, you could experience anxiety, irritability, depression, brain fog, and poor concentration. In more serious cases, low magnesium can affect your heart too, causing arrhythmias, palpitations, or even high blood pressure. What can you eat to boost your magnesium levels? Magnesium is found in many healthy health foods, especially plant-based ones. So in order to make sure your body is getting enough magnesium, you have to include these foods to your diet. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. Nuts and seeds, especially pumpkin seeds, almond, cashews, and sunflower seeds. Whole grains like brown rice, oats, and quinoa. Legumes such as lentils, black beans, and soybeans. Fruits like avocados and bananas. As you can also include dark chocolate, especially the ones with 70 to 85% cocoa. It's a really good source of magnesium, but don't forget to consume it in moderation. And to help your body absorb magnesium better, pair it with foods rich in vitamin D, like salmon and sardines. Also, try to limit excessive coffee, alcohol, and high-dose calcium supplements around magnesium-rich meals, since they can block absorption. That's all for today. Don't hesitate to ask any questions, and let me know in the comments if you've ever noticed these symptoms in yourself. There is more content coming, so hit subscribe and stay tuned. See you!